Welcome back to my blow yard, and today we're gonna blow a boat. And this is a rafting boat, and our mission is that we're gonna throw it as high as we can. Totally insane, but it's really fun. We use this hay bale to get a preload, so we really throw the boat up. And because if we just use dynamite, it's there and then it's gone. This is the heaviest load that we ever done on a hay bale. And the boat will fly really high.
Men det här ser ju hur bra ut som helst.
All cameras is prepared, and now we're gonna do a boat bomb.
Tänd för det här! Helt underbart! The boat was totally demolished. Let's see what is left of this boat. Oh, it smells from this hay bale.
And I think we loaded too much dynamite in this boat, because it's really destroyed. And we have a great boat hole here also. So we made a good job with blowing a boat. See you next time and have a nice day.